Here's the 1966 Valiant, the car that really lets you live within your budget.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but we're back in a 1966 Plymouth Valiant. This car is in okay shape, I guess you could say. The front fenders are pretty rough. They're gonna probably need to be replaced, but I mean, I'm just taking her up to speed now for the first time ever, I should say. 30. 40. And it feels pretty good. I mean, we're on a dirt road, so it's not the greatest, but it handles all right. The brakes seem strong, the steering seems good, no noticeable wobbles or loud noises being made. Now, I'd like to go over a few things with the car, maybe show you around the whole thing so you have a better image of it. He's done a little bit of work to it. I know he put brand new tires on it. I've got actually a receipt right here for $430, and see at the bottom there, and that was done in, I believe, yeah, May 13th of 2015. So it's really nice to have brand new tires put on a classic car because, well, it's better not to have dry rot when you're driving down the road, and it's just one less thing that you have to worry about. He had told me that the car had actually been in his family for a long time, but after buying the owner's package and whatnot, it doesn't look like that. It looks like that probably was a lie. Connor William from Brampton, Ontario was the last person to own this car, and that was in 2009, and he had actually safetied it in 2013 of, I believe, October 31st. You can see it right in there. So it's just some cool pieces of history that come with the car. I mean, 2 keys, which is always nice. Comes with a little Chrysler key tag. So yeah, let's take a look at it. The overall condition is not great, but what can you expect for 1,500 bucks, right? Alright guys, so here is the 1966 Valiant. The front fender, as you can see in the front here, is pretty much all gone. They've tried to Bondo it up, but it's going to need to be replaced, so that's not really repairable. And as you can see on this side, there's also some Bondo, so I'm assuming that all of this is also likely bad. As far as the paint job goes, it's not great, but I actually like the look of the patina on this car. I love this blue that they created back in those early days. It just stands out, and it's just something that's just such a beautiful color to look at. Even when there's a little bit of rust, like here on the hood, it stands out and looks fantastic. Another thing that's great about this car is all of the electrical works, which is shocking. All of the lights work, which is just a huge bonus. Nobody likes wiring up cars and spending hours and hours and hours trying to fix them. As we move to the back here, the trunk is in overall really good shape, actually. If you peel back this carpet, you can see that it's pretty solid, even back in there. I mean, we got a spare tire even, and onto the other side, it looks pretty good. Can't really complain about that. The sills are all pretty good. No noticeable holes or anything like that. Always a bonus. The top of the trunk is all really good. It's always great to see. And surprisingly, the chrome. The chrome is in fantastic shape for being original. Like, fantastic shape. No dents, no big bruises in it, nothing like that. It shines up real nice, which is shocking. As we move around to the other side here, the passenger side, the doors open and close really nicely. Body lines are pretty straight. It's always nice to see. I don't think it's ever been in any major accidents. There's nothing on the car history, so that's always nice. One noticeable problem, if we go back to the driver's side, is that this passenger door does not open, and it is unlocked, as you can see. So there's something going on there. I've tried unlocking it, locking it, unlocking it, and trying again, but that doesn't seem to work. So it's probably something internal. I'm not too worried about it. And if we go along into the interior, the dash is in overall pretty decent shape. The gas gauge works. The alternator charge, I'm not sure if that works, but they've rewired a temperature gauge down there that actually works. So that's a huge bonus, not gonna overheat it. The fan does work, which is shocking. And the seats are on overall pretty good shape. We got a little bit of roughing in here, but not too bad. The back seat is in really good shape. And they added in these custom speakers at the back. I believe they're custom. I mean, they're Kenwoods, so they're pretty good quality, with this fur lining, which is just full of dust, but it's pretty interesting, nice to see. Seat belts are interesting as well. They roll in and roll out like that. That's just a nice little car history thing there that I did not know before existed. What else can I show you? The engine is a Slant 6 225. So far it's been running great. I haven't noticed any serious issues with it. Sounds good, doesn't have any weird tickings or anything like that. One big problem is right here where the fender joins the inner fender. This is really rough, and you can see up here as well. There's gonna be some issues there. That's not gonna pass safety. So probably gonna need to find 2 new fenders. Shouldn't be too big of a deal, as I believe the parts for these cars are interchangeable with Dodge Darts. And these cars are pretty common. I mean, they're just a nice, good looking car. They were supposedly very reliable back in the day. And what's not to like about them? I mean, the square body, the square grille just looks fantastic. All right, guys, that's my 1966 Plymouth Valiant. If you have any questions, feel free to message me or leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see done with this car. I'm pretty open. I mean, I don't have a lot of money into it, so I'm not afraid to do some stuff with it. What do you think of it? Do you think I got a pretty good deal at $1,500 bucks? Let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. See you next time.